Hi, this is Shankar. I am going to teach mathematics. This video is useful for 9th class and 10th class students. Today my topic is square relation. The theorem for any acute angle theta prove that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Here, what is the meaning of acute angle? The theta is greater than 0 and the theta is less than 90 degrees, then it is called as a acute angle. Here already we know the one statement or identity of the trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1 here this our intention is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal 1. So already we know that this identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here both sides divided by the sin square theta. Both sides divided by the sin square theta. Here sin square theta by sin square theta plus here cos square by sin square is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Total identity divided by the sin square theta. Here before we are going to know the some trigonometrical ratio, here cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, here cot square theta is equal to cos square theta by sin square theta, here 1 by sin theta is equal to direct cosecant theta, here 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Here directly I am writing sin square theta by sin square theta, numerator and denominator is same, that's why I am writing 1 here, the plus symbol I am keeping plus symbol. Here cos square theta by sin square theta, here cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta, directly I am writing cosecant square theta. Here this cot square theta I am sending to right side, this is a positive value I am sending to right side, it will get the negative sign. Here 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Therefore, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Our statement is proved. Therefore, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1.